Hey everybody, Travis with Blue Nail Roofing out here doing another roof replacement. Today we're also doing blown-in insulation in this homeowner's attic. Now you can see the bags of insulation here in the yard, and we got the machine already going and we're pumping it in there. Now if you've never looked into getting blown-in insulation for your home, we offer it in 3 different levels: 6 inches, 12 inches, and 18 inches of insulation. Now that offers you an R value of R21, R38, and R49 respectively. Now this is something that all homeowners should really consider. It lowers your electric bill dramatically, and especially down here in Texas where we experience intense heat, and we also have about 5 minutes of winter that you might want to stay warm for, so that counts too. But especially for those hot summers and whatever you want to call the rest of the year when it's still so hot, this will make a huge difference on your house, and we highly recommend you looking into it. If you've never looked into it, we're happy to come out to your house, make sure you're in one piece, and give you a fair assessment of what might be in your best interest for your home. Check out bluenail.com for a roof replacement, blown-in insulation, or just an inspection to make sure your home's in one piece. Tune in next time for another homeowner tip.